welcome to today's video. I thought it would be fun today to do a little mukbang. I don't even know how to like officially say it, but we're going to Taco Bell. When I first got pregnant, I had a lot of food aversions, basically just like didn't want to eat anything, but something that always sounded good was Taco Bell, and I thought that'd be fun to go there today and basically just try pretty much the entire menu, because every time I go, I end up getting only like the same thing. So we're gonna go crazy today. It's gonna be me and Parker, probably our puppy too. And I also had you guys ask us some questions on Instagram, so we're going to answer those. I guess before we go, I will show you guys a little OOTD. Okay, I attempted to flip my microphone backwards so that the audio was better, but it maybe is just like really bad, so we'll see. This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this cute little t-shirt from Luca & Gray that I'll link down below. And then I also have this skirt from Luca & Gray, which is sold out, but we do have a similar one, so I will link that down below. Here's a little baby bump update. Still not huge. I am at 19 weeks tomorrow, so when you guys see this, I'll already be 19 weeks, which is so crazy. I'm almost halfway, so super exciting. Let's go to Taco Bell. All right, so we have made it to Taco Bell. I have been to this Taco Bell maybe 4 times. Every single time, I swear I'm here in the drive-thru line for like an hour, even if there's like one car in front of me. So I'm very curious to see how long it takes today. It is 2:02 p.m. and there's is there 3 cars in front of us or 4?
4.
Okay, there's 4 cars in front of us, so it might be a little bit. I get it. They're making the tacos as fast as they can. We're also gonna get a bunch of stuff. Do you have anything you've always wanted to try?
Not something different than what I normally get.
Oh, well, we have to get a lot of food. That's the point of a mukbang. I've only ever gotten a Crunchwrap Supreme and the Cool Ranch Doritos tacos. I'm excited to try other stuff. They have a pretty big menu.
Then, huh?
Yeah, Parker pulled up. I was like, no, I'm not ready. We have to like examine the whole menu, see what we want.
What can we get for you?
Spicy potato taco.
Does the spicy potato taco have meat?
Meat? No, it does not.
Can I
Get that.
I get one of those?
With no cheese.
With no cheese?
Get cinnamon twist.
Alright, do you want the chipotle sauce on that?
Sure.
Yes, please. And then can I get a thing of the cinnamon twist?
Guys, this menu's really big. This is actually hard. What's a quesarito?
Can I do a
Don't
quesarito
even know
with
what that
beans
means.
instead of beef? And then can I do a Crunchwrap Supreme? And then can I get a strawberry Skittle freeze?
I wonder how expensive this is
We're not
gonna
gonna be
be,
able to eat all
because
this.
that's the point. Fast food's cheap, but we're getting so
that all?
much.
Okay, 1939.
He didn't even ask. We didn't even say we're done.
Thank you. Yeah, we
He's like, these people have plenty. Wait, how much was it? Did it say?
19.
Only 19 bucks?
Yeah, that's not bad.
Guys, if you need a video idea and you're a YouTuber, this is a cheap one.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
Got the strawberry freeze. I've never had this kind. Luma, come here.
Luma, you want to come in here?
These tacos aren't for you.
Yeah, come in here.
She got fixed, guys. That's why she has this little
She got surgery.
doggy hospital gown, so she
Here
can't
you go.
lick her
Thank you.
little cut. Hello. Wait, this is so fast. It's 2:08. How did all those cars go?
Yeah, this was a
When
quick
I
one.
came, guys, I am not joking. It was like 30 minutes. We've been here for literally 6 minutes, and we're already at the window. And there's 4 cars in front of us.
Yeah, they went quick.
This
By the
Taco Bell
time we finished
improved.
ordering, there was only 1 car at the window in front of
Oh,
us.
that's, yeah.
Thank you. You sure that's all?
All of it? Okay, guys, we're back home. We got our food. I just had to scoop
Hold
the
on
top.
a second.
What?
Do you see that smudge on the lens?
No. Oh, wait. Luma must have licked it. Sorry, puppy. Just had to scoop part of this out because Luma got a hold of it in the car.
Oh, you scooped it?
We gotta at least try it. If we put the straw down to the bottom, that's not the part she licked.
No,
Right?
I plan on eating the whole thing.
We got tacos. This feels like
Oh,
a
do you have the
burrito.
receipt? Let's make sure we got everything.
Yeah, I don't think we have everything. I
Okay,
swear we got a
so
lot
do we
of
have
stuff.
2 Cool Ranch burritos?
Wait, we gotta pose for a thumbnail.
2 Doritos Locos Tacos.
We do have those.
1 spicy potato. That's gotta be that.
This is a quesarito.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, crap.
Don't dump it. 1 cinnamon twist.
Oh, the lighting just got so different. Nope, no cinnamon twist.
Crunchwrap Supreme, got that. 3 layers nachos, got that. 1 beefy loaded griller, right here, got that. 1 regular Skittles thing. The only thing that they forgot is the
That's
cinnamon
actually
twist.
kind of impressive. Wait, so which ones are yours?
These.
Only those 2?
I guess these
We
3.
can both try the nachos. Okay, so I had you guys ask us questions on Instagram. I tried to pick ones that were like non-pregnancy related too. Should I try the potato taco? Interesting, it's literally just potatoes and lettuce.
Good?
Not bad.
I'm actually looking
I'm
at this
trying the
cheese and I'm
nachos.
really scared. I don't want to eat the cheese.
Yeah, Parker's not like a cheese person. I think these are only $1, aren't they? This is a lot of food.
$1? Seriously.
First question, who do you think baby girl will look more like, me or you?
I don't know. I feel like that's hard to say.
I feel like every baby girl that I see on Instagram looks just like her dad.
Okay, yeah, that's true. But I feel like a lot of other babies that we see or follow
Like who?
have in
Can you
our
think of
lives,
any?
like our 2 nieces, I feel like they look like a mixture, a complete mixture.
Well, yeah, it's gonna look like a mixture.
You're saying that they look more like the dad. I'm saying
Yeah.
I think
She'll look
she'll
like us
look more
both.
like, yeah, both of us. Crunchwrap Supreme never disappoints.
I'm excited to try this what is this? Quesarito. Will you get another dog / do you want another dog?
I actually had this thought the other day. How fun would it be if Luma had a little friend? No, I think if we were to get a dog, it wouldn't be till like after Luma's gone, you know? Sad enough.
I think if we're older, like when our kids are out of the house,
You want to be crazy dog parents?
only 2.
Oh, 2.
What major things have we changed or done to prepare for the baby?
We've stopped traveling. That wasn't necessarily because we're having a kid,
Yeah.
but I feel like we stopped traveling because we wanted to slow down and start trying to have a kid. But
This is good. This quesarito, thumbs up.
I feel like that's something that's big. Other than that, nothing.
I don't know. Like, I don't know what we would do, especially at this point. Like, it's not like we went out and partied all the time and then now we have to like stop. Like, our lives haven't really changed that much. Next question, will you be going on a baby moon before baby comes?
I would like to, and I
Me
think
too.
Aspyn would like to.
I just don't know where to go. I feel like so far all of these have been pregnancy questions. I swear there's some in here that are not. Do you have your first trip with the new baby planned?
No. Do we?
No. I do want to take her on a plane when she's like pretty little, like 2 or 3 months old, just so she gets used to it, because we've been traveling a lot for the past couple years and we plan to like slow down a lot with the baby and like not really travel so much. There's always like little places we're going, even if it's like to California or something that's like an easy flight. So when
Yeah.
she's like 2 or 3 months, I think we should go to California.
Oh yeah.
Just to have her used to get her used to being on a plane. This mukbang is very fun for me. I feel like it's not that fun for you. You just barely opened up your second option. I've
Yeah.
been going back and forth between all of mine.
I guess I've been on
Do
a
you
little
wanna
bit of
try
a
this?
health kick lately, so this food just doesn't seem that good to me.
Do you want this taco?
Yeah, I'll eat that.
Okay. Have you craved meat or ate meat since you got pregnant? If you guys don't know, I don't really eat meat. I'll literally eat it like a couple times a year. I go to McDonald's, get a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit because it's the world's best food. So I think I've had that twice since I've been pregnant, and I normally try to only have it like once or twice a year. That was in March. I had it like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
But I haven't wanted like a hamburger or anything like that. I wouldn't eat any other meat, which is how I usually am, is I'll only eat the McDonald's bacon. So yes, but like, I don't want like a hamburger or something. This is what we've talked about, but I forgot what you said. Do you think baby girl is going to be blonde or brunette?
Ooh, I don't know. I think she'll
Me
be.
either.
Does that seem too bright?
I don't know. The lighting's really crazy, sorry guys.
I think that she'll be blonde, like a dirty
That's
blonde.
like what I would think too, but when I was born, my hair was really dark. Oh, look at it now.
Yeah.
My hair was really dark when I was born. And my hair, like I dye it blonde now, I'm not naturally blonde. Parker's, it was like a towhead, like white-haired baby. So I don't know, but that's how my cousin was. Like, she was really blonde and her husband was really dark, so it was the opposite, but their baby has really dark hair.
Yeah.
So that's why I think that our baby will have dark hair.
But you said your cousin has blonde hair and her
Yeah.
husband has dark hair.
Yeah, so it's like us
We're
with the
two dark
opposite.
hairs. Your hair's like dirty blonde. You're not like brunette. You're not brunette.
Okay. Are you going to hire any help, like a nanny or daycare?
I feel like eventually down the line.
I
but
think it'd be nice to have like a nanny come and just be with the baby.
while we're here working even.
Yeah, just like 2 days a week. We'll see.
Just because
I feel
even
like-
with Luma, it's a pain in the butt sometimes to get work done.
I feel like, yeah, we haven't decided for sure. We have to like just like experience it, and if we're feeling like, okay, it's too hard to be getting work done, even
Yeah.
though we both work from home and can like switch off with stuff, then we would hire someone. Are you nervous to see Luma's reaction when you bring baby home?
Kind of.
Yeah.
I am nervous because when my sister had her first baby, they had a dog named Bella, which is now my parents' dog. And the reason that she is my parents' dog is because she was very like vicious towards the baby and she didn't like the baby at all. That's what's scary. What if she doesn't like the baby?
But she loves babies though. Like
She
our
does love
nieces,
babies.
she loves them. There's like things that you can do to help prepare your dog for bringing the baby home.
Yeah, Aspyn's been playing like baby crying
cries,
sounds.
yeah. When we're like in the hospital, like right after the baby's born, we can take one of her blankets and have someone bring it here so that Luma gets like used to the smell of the baby. I think she'll also probably stay at my mom's house for like a day or 2 when we bring the baby home, just so that like our first night here, we're not like worried about the dog. This is one that a lot of people have asked. Why did you decide to not give your baby girl a middle name? So I answered, I think it was like a different pregnancy Q&A that I did. I said, we have a name we're like pretty sure about, but we're not giving her a middle name.
Say Aspyn grew up with a middle name. She would probably want to give our baby a middle name, but it's kind of like tradition for you to not have middle name almost. Does that make sense? Like
I
it
don't
makes
have one.
sense why you would not want one.
And I
But-
never had any issues.
Yeah, Aspyn doesn't have a middle name, that's why.
Yeah, so you just don't need one. And it's not like her name is like Anna Smith, where it's like so, there's probably a lot of people named that. So a middle name would give you like distinction, like her
Oh,
name's
yeah.
really unique, and so there's not gonna be anybody else with the same name. But yeah, there's no specific like reason. I just think they're kind of pointless. Like you don't need one. Especially
You don't
for
feel
a
left
girl.
out when everyone's telling their middle names.
No,
and you say,
why
I don't have
do
one.
people say that? That was in the
I'm
comments
joking.
too.
Was that really? Someone really said you didn't
Yes.
feel left out?
And I was looking up, like I Googled, like just for the heck of it, reasons to like give your baby a middle name. One of the reasons literally was so that when you're like getting mad at your kid, like when they're in trouble,
They know.
you can call them their middle name too. I was like, that is so, I think that is so dumb. For our second baby, if you could pick what it was, would you say boy or girl?
Boy.
I don't know what I'd say. I feel like I would maybe say boy.
It would be cute to have like little
Like Lucy and
sisters.
Greta are
Yeah,
so cute.
Lucy and Greta.
Are you nervous about labor? What about Parker? A lot of people ask like, how do I think about you like in the delivery room? How do you think you'll be?
I think I'll be pretty good, to be honest. I'm not very like.
Are you gonna watch the baby come out?
I think I will.
Yeah, I feel like you should. Like that's,
Yeah.
It's obviously like not gross, but not the prettiest sight, but it's like a miracle of seeing your
Yeah.
child.
I
be
mean,
born.
I'll at least like peek and see what I can handle. You know.
Best part of living in Utah, our first non-pregnancy question, 21 minutes in.
Wow.
This one's for you. You're not gonna finish your taco?
No, I can't.
Guys,
finish.
I gotta say, out of everything I got, my favorite thing is the thing that I always get. Fixing the camera again. You can answer.
I think the best part of living in Utah is everything you can do. Oh my gosh.
The sun's changing every 2 seconds, so I'm just gonna leave it, and in like 20 seconds, it will be back to normal.
I think the best part of Utah, I love the fact that I can hop in my truck and in 5 minutes be up a mountain, or in 30 minutes I'm up a mountain and snowboarding down it and stuff, you know?
I was gonna say I like the actual like location of the state,
Yeah.
especially down in southern Utah where we used to live. It's like a small town, but we're 2 hours from Vegas, so if you want like entertainment and shopping, you're 2 hours away. It's only a 6-hour drive to California, which really is not bad.
No.
Or you can drive 4 hours to Salt Lake if you want like snow.
Yep.
Like the location of the actual state I think is so good. What is Parker looking forward to most about being a dad?
Oh, what am I looking forward to most? I can't wait to take her to dance class, or take her to soccer, or take her to whatever she wants to do. That'll be fun. I'm excited to be the dad like in the stands, like cheering her on, you know? I'll probably be the embarrassing dad that doesn't care like when I yell, or like, yeah, let's go, and like just embarrass her, you know?
Are you going to be breastfeeding or bottle feeding? Ideally,
Breastfeeding.
both.
Both.
Don't you want to be able to feed her?
Yeah.
Like,
I want to be able to hold
ideally-
her right here and feed her into your boob.
No.
Oh.
Ideally, I would like to pump and have you be able to like bottle feed her. So
Yeah.
what if I needed to like go to do a photo shoot or something for like 3 hours? I don't know. You just have to see how it goes. But ideally both. How long are you planning on waiting before you have baby number 2?
I don't know, maybe 2 years?
I feel
3
like 2
years?
years at the least, 3 years at the most.
Yeah.
I think it'd be fun to have 2 that are like 2 years apart, and then a gap for like 3-ish years, and then 2 more, or like just evenly like space them out. I feel like it just depends on how good of a baby our baby is. Those are all of the questions. I hope you guys enjoyed. This video was actually really fun. It was fun to just sit and get to eat a million different
Yeah, it
things.
was.
Sorry the lighting got crazy. We changed it literally 10 times and then we just gave up. But just pretend this is a podcast and that you're listening. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe. We also have a vlog channel if you guys want to check it out. Link down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye
Bye.
guys.